Come on, Bubba, come here. Go look in your room.
Look in your room.
What's in your room?
Ta-da!
What is that?
McQueen.
Cool.
I think he likes it. McQueen's on the back. See? McQueen's on
McQueen
the
pillow.
back.
Yeah. Mater and McQueen.
Yeah. Does he like his bed?
Do you like it, Logie?
Yeah. Logan, do you like that? Like that.
Who's that? What's his name?
Does he like it, Dad?
Yeah, I think he does. What do you think, Mace?
I think he does too. No! Logan, do you like your bed? He likes his bed, right, Mom?
I think he likes it. Do you like your big boy bed? Yeah? Can you get up into your bed all by yourself?
He did.
No, don't jump
No,
in
no
your bed.
jumping in your bed.
No, no. Whoa. Oh.
Careful.
Dad,
Can you get down and get back up all by yourself?
can you get down and jump back up by yourself?
Look at you. Don't jump on your
No,
bed.
Logie, no, no.
No.
Don't jump.
No. Sit down. Okay. Does he like his bed?
I think he likes it.
Logan, do you like your bed? You do? Okay. Okay.
Thank you for your help, Mace.
Yeah.
I think he likes his new bed.
His new lining bed.